Hey everybody, today is review. So we're going to put it all together, what we've been learning in the last week or so, reviewing the one steps and the song and review. So thanks for getting those song and videos turned in. For those of you who still haven't, make sure those get turned in. The sooner the better. So today I'm reviewing this for you guys, then you're going to go through the PowerPoint on your own and watch the videos. None of the videos are new. You have seen them all. So which they should be reviews. So you should be able to stand up and do them as you are watching the videos and practicing all together. For your exit ticket, you're going to be videotaping yourself, showing one step 2, and one step 3. So for your presentation today, like I said, it's review and practice day. None of these videos are new. Okay, so you're just reviewing them all. Next Tuesday and Wednesday, you are going to be tested over both of these forms. So this is your time to practice and send your video in so Mrs. Olson can give you feedback and let you know where you're at for next week's testing. So if you have a bunch of questions, now is your time to let her know that you have these questions so that she can help you out before you test out next week. Like I have said earlier, this is my last week, so moving forward, all those questions can go directly to her. But for today, one step number 1, the videos here, which you watched on Tuesday. One step 2, one step 3, the 18 move video from Sangam 1, and then a video reviewing both of them. And for today's assignment, you're going to submit a video of you completing all 3 one steps, including the yells. All right, so don't forget those. And again, this is just our chance to give you guys feedback. And so make sure you include your name. You include one step 1, one step 2, and one step 3, and you get that turned in here by midnight tonight.